every step I take, in every breath I breathe, I want you to be, Lord, at the center of me. When life gets loud around me and I lose my way, I hear your voice reminding you are here to stay. Not my will but yours, not my plans but yours. Lead me every moment, I surrender more. Be the center, Jesus. Be the center of my heart and my life. Be the center, Jesus. Be the center, everything I am. Be the center. Success comes my way when I fall behind. Keep my eyes on you, Lord. Keep my heart alive. Let nothing take your place in my thoughts and my goals. You are the foundation. You are in control. In the joy and in the struggle, in the rise and the fall, let my life keep saying, you are Lord of all. Be the center, Jesus. Be the center of my heart and my life. Be the center, Jesus. Be the center, everything I am. Be the center. I lay it all down at your feet, Lord. My dreams and my plans belong to you. Take full control, have your way. Jesus, be the center every day. Be the center, Jesus. Be the center.